The workflow between Blender and Unity, it's a constant time-consuming back and forth. What if your entire pipeline lived in one place? Introducing the BlendUnity Toolkit. Let's take a tour. The Export tab is your central command. The toolkit is organized to tackle every step of the process. The Materials tab gives you fine-tuned control. With the Colliders tab, you can automate one of the most tedious jobs. The Animation tab provides essential tools for animators. The LOD tab is where you manage your level of detail chains. Need to optimize even further? The Atlas tab includes tools. And for ultimate iteration speed, the Live tab enables a bidirectional sync server. Finally, the Rules, Utils, and Presets tabs allow you to enforce team-wide naming conventions. Every button, every checkbox is designed to save you clicks and save you time.